Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to the next episode in my basement finishing project. So we've reached a critical stage here where all of the trim carpentry is done. My wife has done 99% of the work of filling in all the nail holes and sanding. I've been helping a little bit, but we're at the stage where it's ready for paint. So we have a painter coming tomorrow. I'm pretty excited. We're going to turn the corner. Let's just take a quick sweep around and sort of see where we are. We're still in the process of cleaning out, getting things out of the way. We're going to be covering some things with plastic to protect them, etc., before the painter comes in and does whatever masking he's going to do. But very, very excited to be at this stage. So I'm probably not going to shoot a ton of footage of painting. People know what painting looks like, but I'll probably try to get some time lapses and make this fun and interesting. And on the back side here, this should look like a completely different and finished space, so I'm very excited. So thank you for watching. Please enjoy. Feel free to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and come back and see more. Thanks a bunch. It's too long.